LPT Realty. Welcome to Beachwalk by Minnesota Key. Beachwalk, if you're not familiar with it, is here in Englewood, Florida, one of those cozy little beach towns that is starting to wake up with all kinds of exciting things here. It's just south of Sarasota and north of Fort Myers, and this is an amenity-rich neighborhood. It has pickleball, tennis, bocce ball. There's a new restaurant and tiki bar opening up right offside the resort-style pool. And we have an on-site lifestyles director as well that fills up our calendar. I can't even keep up, and I live here. And I cannot wait to show you this particular model. It's one near and dear to my heart because I also have the same model, but this is a unique Mystique, as we call it, because they've added some extra features here. So starting out with the outside, Pulte Homes does a great job with the block construction all the way up with the stucco and the tile roofs. They also include maintenance-free landscaping that comes with the house. So, and I love the upgraded pavers that they have here. So if you take a look, this particular model is offering the Key West style. So they have this nice little front entryway. And then we're going to take a look inside. You'll notice that they put in square ceramic tile, and they kept everything very neutral in here, so you can bring your own splashes of color in. So first I'm going to take you to the first guest room. I'd like to mention that there are 4 bedrooms in this house. There's different modifications of this one, and this particular one, you can have lots of guests here. So you can see this is a very nice space, nice natural light. Plenty of room for your guest. And right from here, you've got your guest bathroom. They picked a nice neutral tile with a nice Listello. Shaker cabinets along with the quartz countertops. And I do like the matte black hardware. I think it gives it a modern look. Over here we've got the laundry room, and look at all the space you have here. Just imagine if you put in cabinets up here and down here to really max out storage, your washer and dryer. And then this is a nice sized closet. So you can really store a lot in this home. We've got another bedroom. This we call the drop zone, so you can get creative with shelves and benches and hang your jackets there. And then look at the size of this bedroom. They got a king size bed in here. And again, nice natural light coming in, plenty of room for your guests. They did tile throughout the whole house, so there's no carpeting. Let me show you the garage. We purposely left this down so you could see that they did put in a ladder to take you up where you can store additional items. So plenty of room here. Now I'll take you to the flex room, which they have converted into a bedroom. It has the window, it has the closet, it has the double doors, and they made this an office. You can make it a media room or a bedroom, a playroom. Now we go into the main area. Pulte Homes does such a great job of creating that entertainment space. So it's nice and open where you've got your entertaining over here. You could be having hors d'oeuvres and drinks lined up here on your counter. And then you have your dining over here. They kept everything nice and bright with the shaker cabinets and a nice backsplash, but it has a nice texture to it. And the quartz countertops. One of the things that they do too is they have the natural gas, and then we also have storage at the end of the island. Nice pantry, plenty of room, and then I'd like to point out they did the gourmet kitchen where they have the stacked ovens and the hood and the range. Under cabinet lighting. Those are all little upgrades. And then you've got plenty of space to sit 6 people comfortably in the dining room. You could go with a round table or even a rectangle table. Either one would fit in here really nice. When you're entertaining, just think about all the space you have for all your guests in this whole area. And we're not even outside yet. I got one more room to show you. Here's your owner's suite. Spacious, lots of lighting. You're overlooking out to the garden and the pool. Easily put a king-size bed in here. Now the owner's suite. We picked out a nice top for this, along with carrying the same shaker cabinets and the black hardware. They kept it neutral for this shower with the Listello. Notice they're frameless shower doors. And then you have this space that you can use for a vanity for makeup or put in shelving. And then you've got a nice sized closet. Over here, we have the linen closet and the water closet. I cannot wait to show you the outside. I'll tell you why. So first off, they've upgraded to the zero corner door. This is where we're bringing the outside in. So you've got all this open space, again, for entertaining. In this case, they put in a fire table, so just imagine at nighttime with this all set up. They created dining space out here. What makes this unique as well is they extended the decking about 12 feet. There's a ton of space here. So you really can create that entertainment vibe. They upgraded the Pebble Tech in the pool where it's got that lagoon look. They added the water features. These are all the little extras. And look at the clear view screen that they put up where you've got just that tranquil view, very private. They put in this hot tub, so just imagine sitting out here after a hard day's work and enjoying your hot tub. And at different times of the year you can see the sunset here, so I'll show you pictures of that too. And then you've got this extended decking for sun. So it's nice you have the covered space, but also when you want to get some sun. Thank you for touring the unique Mystique. I appreciate you coming out, and I want to recap. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a flex room, gorgeous pool with the hot tub, extended decking, and that clear view screen looking out at the tranquil preserve. Again, I'm Carol Bertelek with LPT Realty, and if you like my channel, please share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you on the next one.